Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome to my PC part picker and welcome to the last video of how to build a gaming PC. And today we're actually going to take all the components that we got together and putting all of it in the case that you decided to get. So what you want to do first when you get like all your components is that to get the motherboard. So I'm gonna lay down the PC like this. And I'm going to show you guys a closer look. Alright, so this is the PC, the motherboard, as you can see over here. Now, all motherboard would look the same. So what you want to see here is first we're going to install the RAM. These things right here. So I'm going to put my camera like this so you guys can see. So all motherboards will come with a manual and how you're supposed to put this. Now putting the RAM is very easy. See that gap right there? You have to match that gap with one of these things right here. And it's really easy. So what you gotta do is get the far one right here and pull these down. And both sides right here, I know you, right there. Pull these down and then match with the gap. You know when it doesn't match when you try to put it, look how the gap is far away from the thing. That means it's the wrong way. So you have to turn it and like so. Sorry for the bad camera angle because I'm trying to do this all in one go. And then just because it's on like this, it doesn't mean it's all the way in. And if you don't put it all the way in, the PC will not work. So what you're gonna do is push it down and don't be scared. I know how a lot of people be like, oh, this is a brand new stick, this is a brand new motherboard, I don't want to break it. You're not gonna break it, trust me. So you're gonna push it down until you hear the click like that, and that's how you know you successfully installed RAM. And of course you always want to have two, so you will put the other one right here, and then again the click, and that's how you know you installed it properly. And next and as you can see, I went with the water cooling. I have the fan already up here, as you can see, and these are really easy installed. You just screw these in and you're done. And then next is the GPU. The GPU goes in right here. So same thing with the RAM. You will push this down right here. You push that down first, and then you would take out the screws, which I already did. You would break these things right here. You will remove the screw, and then you will break this thing. You remove it, and then so you can have room for the GPU right here. So we're going to grab our GPU like so, and then we're going to line it up like this. Again, sorry for the terrible camera view. Trying to do this with one hand, it is not easy. And then you push it down until you hear the click, like that. And that's how you know you successfully installed the GPU. Next, we're gonna put in the screws back, right there. I'm not gonna try to bore you guys. I'm gonna like cut this out. I'll talk about installing the GPU with the cords right there. Be right back. All right, now we have successfully installed the GPU. Now we have to connect these cords. Now we have successfully installed the GPU. Now we have to connect these cords. Now, it doesn't matter where these cords go. It goes right here. These cords power the GPU. One goes here. and the others goes here. And just like that, everything is stable. All right, now let's test this out. Oh, one way. There we go. All right. Moment of truth. Yes, sir. What was that? Oh, nothing. Yes, sir. Looking clean. Thank you for watching for my PC workshop videos and how to build a gaming PC. And I hope yours turns out great as mine. And I will catch you guys later. Have a great night, everybody.